Hey everybody, my name is Eric. I am 58 years old, the Bay Area of Northern California, here at G4 by Golpa in Las Vegas, Nevada. Super excited to be here. It's been quite a long journey for me. Dental history, basically I've had bad teeth my entire life, has caused my teeth to decay. Missing teeth in the back, missing crowns. And I've looked at a lot of different options for getting things fixed, and there's an option of trying to save my teeth. Could take years, could take tens and tens of thousands of dollars, and I'm really not interested in that. Did a lot of searching around on the internet and found G4 by Golpa. Flew to Vegas for a consultation. Just really welcoming, makes you feel really welcome and relaxed. Explained everything, and so I made the appointment for today to actually have the surgery done, and then tomorrow I will get my new teeth. So welcome to the journey.
Hi, Eric.
Hey, how's it going?
Good to see you.
You too.
I have some paperwork for you.
Awesome.
So we're going to be signing and dating here.
Okay.
Throughout here, initially, we'll make a copy of everything for you, so you'll have that.
Beautiful.
Let's get that started for us.
Will do it. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Eric.
Absolute pleasure. I didn't realize I was getting the Dr. Golpa.
Yeah, I decided to come to work today, so you're gonna get me.
You see?
So basically, this is a PMMA, which is polymer material. It's pretty strong. It does have a titanium bore on the inside.
Okay.
Okay. And then the next level up, it's what we call, it's a Trilor, which got a fiber reinforced material. It's very strong and it's extremely light if you hold it.
So it doesn't have the titanium bar.
It doesn't have the titanium board. That's going to be actually the core.
Okay.
And then you have a nano ceramic, which is again much stronger material, and also it looks, as far as aesthetic, it looks a lot better than a PMMA.
And it's
Okay.
and for the bite, it's better.
For
right?
the bite,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
better. The feel is better. It wears just like a natural
Okay.
teeth. And it's slightly smoother, so it's a little bit more glossier and smoother. So
Yep, I'm only doing this once. Let's go with the
yeah,
Cadillac.
let's go with this.
So for anesthesia, we got nice veins there. We'll get you an IV, that'll be your lifeline.
Okay.
We'll get you nice and relaxing medicine, and also give you some opiates for the pain management.
Okay.
Also through the IV, we'll give antibiotics, anti-nausea, and then at the very end, we'll give anti-inflammatory
Awesome.
for any inflammation from the implants.
Okay.
And we watch you closely with EKG, blood pressure. We measure your oxygen with pulse ox
Perfect.
while you're snoozing, and you'll breathe a little oxygen and nitrous while you're
Okay.
snoozing.
And that's like a mix over there?
Yeah.
And then what's the actual anesthetic?
The medication?
Yeah.
It'll be midazolam and fentanyl.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good morning, Eric. How are you?
Well, I don't know how bad's my blood pressure.
Your blood pressure is just fine.
Good.
It's 120 over.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, it's
Usually
perfect.
like
Yep.
115 over 71.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Just a little anxious.
Everything's good. So, you ready for this procedure?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
See
Me
you.
too.
How was last night?
Good. Good. Very little pain. Ibuprofen only.
Okay.
Bleeding stopped sometime overnight.
Okay.
A
Great.
little swelling, a little bruising, but no.
Sure.
Nothing
Yeah.
unexpected.
How's the pain today?
No pain.
No pain.
Nope.
Awesome. Awesome.
How
Good.
does your bite look? Good. And when you bite down, how does it feel?
Good.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Wow.
I know, right?
Good. And put your lips together. Give me a natural smile. Perfect.
Hey everybody, it's Eric here again at G4 by Golpa in Las Vegas. Day 2. Obviously, I got my new teeth. Super happy all around. Just having a little trouble with my S's, but we'll get better at that. Amazing experience yesterday. Bruno in the lab, everybody at the front desk all the way through surgery. Dr. T was amazing, the anesthesiologist, Yessie, and couldn't be happier. Went back to the hotel last night. No teeth, but no pain. And had some ibuprofen, ice packs, good to go. Got these implanted about half an hour ago and couldn't be happier. So I highly recommend that you come see the people, the good folks at G4 by Golpa in Las Vegas or one of the other locations. Make the investment in yourself. You're definitely worth it.